Hi, today we will be talking about verbs in the Kashmiri language. For this video, we will be using the forms of me, that is for female and male, and our. To keep it simple, in this lesson we will be using two major forms of representing our actions. I am and we are. I am is represented in Kashmiri language like other languages in two different ways. One for a boy, which is bchus, and second for a girl, which is bchas. So you have to remember the subtle difference in both the sentences. Chus is for a boy, chas is for a girl. Similarly, for a group of people, we say us, ch. Now, b is for one person, us is for multiple persons, and chus is for a boy, chas is for a girl, and ch is for a group of people. So, let's start now. First verb is to walk, pakun, buchus pakan. And a girl would say buchas pakan. A group of people would say asch pakan. Asch pakan. To walk is pakun. A boy says buchus pakan. A girl says buchas pakan, and a group of people say asch pakan. Now let's talk about the verb running, dorun. A boy would say buchus doran. A girl would say buchas doran. And a group of people would say asch doran. A boy says buchus doran, girl says buchas doran, and a group of people will say asch doran. To sit is bihun. To stand is khada. A man says buchus khada, or a boy also. A man says buchus bihit. A girl says buchas khada. Buchas bihit. Asch khada. Asch bihit. Buchus khada. Buchas khada. Asch khada. Buchus bihit. Buchas bihit. Asch bihit. Zaripop, to clap. Buchus zaripop vayan. Buchas zaripop vayan. Asch zaripop vayan. Buchus zaripop vayan. Buchas zaripop vayan. Asch zaripop vayan. To eat in Kashmiri means kyon. A boy says buchus khawan. A girl says buchas khawan, and a group of people will say asch khawan. So a boy says buchus khawan, A girl says Buchas khawan and a group says Ash khawan. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. Hit on the share, subscribe and like button.